You buy the car, that sleek, sculpted piece of engineering, the symbol of your success. You smell the leather, you feel the power, and you think, this is a statement. This is an asset. But for some of the world's most desirable luxury vehicles, that asset quickly becomes an albatross. It becomes, quite literally, a $500,000 financial mistake. In 2025, the luxury car market is in a state of chaos. High inventory, high interest rates, and an electric vehicle revolution that's leaving some models in the dust. Today, we're counting down the 5 luxury cars that are on a financial express elevator straight to the basement. You're about to see the price tags that will shock you. Heavy, deep bass drop. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have a car long considered the gold standard of luxury, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. How can the flagship S-Class fall so fast? 2 words: tech obsolescence. The first owner paid for cutting-edge screens and advanced driver aids. But as new models and new competitors like the Lucid Air and the all-electric BMW i7 flood the high-end market, that cutting-edge tech becomes yesterday's news. Fast. The supply is up. The demand for the older generation is down, and the price is in freefall. Our number 4 spot goes to a brand whose name promises Italian flair and exotic performance, but whose ledger book promises pain. The Maserati Levante. The Levante combines beautiful styling with a 6-figure price tag, but beneath that sharp exterior, buyers find a cabin with components shared with less expensive cars and a reputation for long-term ownership costs that are astronomical. When you're spending this kind of money, the market demands near perfection. For 2025, with newer, more reliable rivals like the Porsche Cayenne and the next generation of SUVs rolling out, the Levante's resale value is anything but stable. This isn't just about losing money, it's about opportunity cost. This next car is losing value at a rate that is truly shocking. At number 3, we have BMW's flagship sedan, the 7 Series. The 7 Series is a technological marvel. It has that massive theater screen for the back seat, automatic doors. It's a yacht on wheels, but like the S-Class, BMW overproduced, and the design is polarizing. More importantly, it competes directly with its own all-electric sibling, the i7. The sheer volume of cars on the market, combined with dealers eager to move metal before the next refresh, means a great price for you, but a brutal loss for the first owner. Let's pause for a moment, because what ties all these cars together? It's what I call the luxury triple threat. 1. Oversupply. Dealers have too many on the lot, especially with high interest rates slowing sales. 2. Electric evolution. The market is punishing older gas models and earlier Gen EVs. 3. Massive MSRPs. When the starting price is $100,000, even a 40% loss is $40,000. It's a huge psychological hit. Speaking of saving money, pivot to sponsor or your own product. The top 2 are where the depreciation numbers get genuinely scary. Our runner-up, the Porsche Taycan. This one breaks hearts. When it launched, it was the EV, darling, proof that an electric car could have a soul. But the EV market is moving at light speed. Newer rivals offer significantly better range, charge faster, and are heavily incentivized. The older Taycan, especially 2020 to 2022 models, are now seen as a previous generation EV. The result? The resale value has been completely decimated. It's an incredible car to buy used right now, but a devastating car to have bought new. And the number 1 luxury car losing value fastest in 2025 is another from Italy, the Maserati Grecale. The Grecale was introduced to be the volume seller, the rival to the Porsche Macan, but it launched at a price point the market simply rejected. There's not enough differentiation from cheaper options, and the ownership costs are too high. Dealers are being forced to offer aggressive incentives and huge discounts just to move the inventory off the lot. If a car is selling for 7% below MSRP when it's brand new, you know the depreciation clock is already ticking at warp speed. It's the perfect storm of high starting price, low market interest, and a brand struggling with its new identity. So, what's the takeaway from this $500,000 lesson? If you are a buyer, these 5 vehicles, and several others like the Jaguar F-Pace and Mercedes X, are becoming some of the best used car bargains on the planet. Wait for the curve to flatten, and you can pick up a true luxury performance machine for pennies on the original dollar. But if you are a new buyer, know what you are buying. You are not buying an asset. You are buying an experience with a massive, guaranteed expense called depreciation. Do your research, negotiate hard, and understand the technological landscape is changing so fast that your pride and joy will be financially obsolete in just 36 months. What car do you think is the biggest depreciation trap of 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video saved you a dime, $1,000, or a potential $500,000 mistake, hit that like button and subscribe. The latest market insight is your only defense against this kind of financial damage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.